Oh, wait.
Hold your weight on it. Hold your weight on it.
Okay, guys. Now it's bent, right?
And it's still straight. Handguard and a 22-inch barrel. You can have it both in push and in pull.
Okay. But still, it's easy to change it. So even if you're not sure what you want.
So if you buy a push version, you can get a kit to change it to a pull version. Or if you have a pull version, you want a push version, you just buy a bolt. So this is a pull version. I can just take this out and I put a push bolt in. Let me get the push. That's the silencer.
Wow.
Actually, we have done a very good job with our silencers. It's really reduced the noise, so we decided to make up one for the MP23. There it is. I will show you a demonstration with our guns. We got the foam inside. So it does.
Double.
Yes. So it does silent the gun quite a bit.
If you're watching Clean Shot, you should get this. Oh, this is not silent, so I really have to get used to it.
Push. This is the push. This is the first one we came up with. We have a different design also. We have a full design.
I really have to get used to it. Like, this is simple, and you have to push it really. Oh, sorry, push it back.
Yes.
It's different than the normal bolt action.
More realistic.
Yeah. I was straight into the mic, so.
Okay, let's put the silencer on. There you go.
Let's try it.
Let's try it now.
Into the mic. Definitely silent.
At 1 or 2 meters, you won't even hear that anymore.
Yes.
And after there's feeding of the bullets, it does make a difference as well. It's even more silent.
Yeah, true.
That's the full version.
It's louder.
This is louder.
It's probably a harder spring as well.
No, this is quite a light spring because we need to follow the laws.
Alright, yeah.
So we need to push out the guns under 2 joules.
Yeah.
Let me show you. So basically, you take out the butt plate. You take out the spring guide. Take out the spring. And you pop a new spring in.
That's it.
That's it.
Okay.
You can have any of these. This one is a cool there.
A lot of parts.
A lot of different parts. We got different pistons, different flash shiders,
Silencer.
If you buy the sport version, you can buy the monopod separately and attach it.
Okay, yeah.
All of these, and you have different type of springs. So for the sport version, You adjust the hop up with these screws.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so you can hop up and you can adjust on two sides.
Two sides, yeah.
Okay.
For the standard version, the screws are not there. So you need to
Allen key?
two Allen keys to adjust the hop up. But we have a upgrade part. That's the fast hop up, and you can clearly see this. It's okay. It's well balanced.
It is, yeah. Wow.
As you can see over here, you can adjust the rotary one.
style hop up.
Yep.
Nice.
I gotta say, all the parts look really nice machined. They're really nice.
Thank you.
Quality, yeah, they look really good.
So you have all different barrel lengths.
Different barrel lengths. We have a 26, 22. We have a 20 bull. This is a G-spec. This is a 18 inch. That's the 16 inch. And we have a carbon fiber.
Look, or a real carbon fiber. Or a carbon fiber, yeah.
Real carbon. If you want to see the difference between the heaviest one and the lightest one, this is the heaviest one.
Wow. That's a big difference. Big difference. So you have many upgrade parts then, and it's really... You can really make it into the thing you want.
Let me tell you, there's over a few thousand SRSs in the market, and there's no tools the same SRSs. They're all different. So this is the new gun. It's a replica of the .50. Let me put it this way. It'll come in full version only. Most of the parts are same with the SRS. We also have a quick replacement spring. So I can show you over here. This way. That's the spring guide, and that's the spring.
It's quite a big spring.
Yep. It's a beast.
Yeah.
The air volume for this is 71 cc.
Okay. Will you have like different springs in after a while?
Yes.
Different FPS levels.
Yes.
So.
Yep.
Wow.
The magazine. That's the magazine.
How many BBs will it hold?
60 rounds
Okay.
around, but still not decided. It'll be double stacked.
How much do you want this to be weighing when it's done? Like the real weight? For the real one? Right, cool.
And over here we have the full configuration. Oops, that's unsafe. And if you hear very closely, you will hear click. It's because of the ball plungers over here we have. Hop-up setting is the same as the SRS.
Allen key.
Allen key.
Right.
We will have two versions for this. This is the barrel.
Right. I have to stand back for that one.
That's the beast.
Yeah.
Let me show you. Especially for you, there's a left-handed version as well.
Beast, man. This is really big. It's not even that heavy. Right.
I just have to go for a receiver over here.
Yeah.
This is 2 kgs of CNC aluminium.
As I said, really nice machined. I don't know if you can see it on the video, but it's really nice machined. You have something in your hand as well. Yeah, man. Very nice.
See the difference in weight for the sports barrel and the
Oh,
standard
wow,
barrel?
yeah. Heavy? Not heavy. Right.
So we will have the sport version will be this handguard and this receiver, this barrel.
Okay. I start to understand when you're saying there's not one Silverback the same as the other one. There's so many alterations and modifications and preparations that you can change and do.
So in color-wise?
Color-wise, we have 3 colors. For this, we'll have only 2 colors.
Okay, so black and tan or?
Yeah.
And we have for the SRS, we have 3 colors: black, tan, and